Natural lang bang may hair na naiiwan sa brush?
No, it isn't. When hair is damaged from within, hair fall happens. Pantene helps repair hair damage from within.
So, to forget the hair fall, help fix the damage.
Pantene.
Bagong Vonox with freshness sa Fabcon. May dalawang bonggang bango ng lavender at lemon. Tingnan mo. Ang linis! May dalawang bango ng Fabcon. Dalawang bonggang bango ng Fabcon, 5 pesos lang.
Vonox daming laman.
Experience the Man of Steel excitement with every Jollibee Man of Steel bucket treats. Enjoy your favorite Chicken Joy in a limited edition bucket with rice, regular drinks, and Milo mixes. Now serving.
Ma! Kumusta na? Mars! May kwento ako! Hans, na kita! Astig Combo 15. Sa 15 pesos, may 30 minutes of calls na pwedeng hati-hatiin at only text. Pwede pang i-extend. Oh, bukas ulit, Astig!
Nan HA3 will soon be Nan HW3 for kids 12 to 36 months old. Breast milk is the best for babies up to 2 years of age and beyond.
Isang kwento ng isang Cobra Pinoy Hero.
Salamat sa Cobra Pinoy Hero Awards, I was able to build the House of Hope with my prize. Isang munting bahay para sa mga batang gala na inadap ko. Bukod sa mga kama at locker, nabigyan din ang mga bata ng damit, school supplies at iba pang kagamitan. Nakapagbigay din kami sa mga pamilya ng mga bata ng bigas at pagkain, pati police station na paayos din. Gaya ko, pwede rin kayong maging Cobra Pinoy Hero. Ibahagi inyong kwento ngayong 2013.
Sali na!
Ito si Robin. Tuwing kakain, kung saan-saan nakatingin.
Kain na, anak.
Sige na.
Worried na ako sa nutrisyon niya.
Naiintindihan ko. Kaya meron tayong partner, Lactum. With essential nutrients from the food pyramid. To help make Robin a 100% nourished kid. 100% panatag tayo sa Lactum.
Get free Disney Pixar Monsters University Mealtime Surprise with every Lactum 3 Plus and 6 Plus.
Eto po, nag-aaral. Nagsusumikap sila, kaya dapat mag-aral. I need Coffee Ko Astig. Strong and rich coffee from select coffee beans. Well blended. Para makagraduate ng maaga. Coffee Ko Astig na kape.
Hanggang sulok? Pulido?
Ganyan ang Solmux. Pinipigil ang pagdami ng plema, ang pagdikit ng bakterya, at pinapabilis ang pagwalis palabas. Solmux, the one with advanced lung cleaning system.
Delectable donut. Soft, moist, glazed with brown chocolate with creamy Bavarian filling.
Baon ko yan eh!
Dewy donut.
My kind of donut!
Umaga pa lang, parang pagod na siya.
Lagi ba siyang matamlay? Baka kulang sa iron. Ang tawag dito, micronutrient deficiency. Kulang sa nutrisyon. At hindi ito kita agad. Baka ang anak mo ay isa sa kanila. Napatunayan ng FNRI-DOST na mabisa laban sa micronutrient deficiency ang araw-araw na pag-inom ng gatas na may dagdag na iron, zinc at vitamin C. Bear Brand Powdered Milk Drink. Gatas na may dagdag iron, zinc at vitamin C. Pinag-aralan, napatunayan.
Pag Bear Brand every day!
Nestle. Good food, good life.
As the world's #1, I have to keep a cool head. That's why I use Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
Now for men, it leaves you up to 100% dandruff-free forever and gives you that longer lasting cooling. Now for men, Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
New Nido 40 Choco!
The goodness of milk in choco flavor.
Good Choco to!
New Nido 40 Choco from Nestle.
Oras na mag-freshen up. Take a Tic Tac.
More pa? Take 2 Tic Tac.
Para sa higher level of freshness, take 3 Tic Tac.
Tic Tac, choose your own freshness. Now, choose the new freshness. Tic Tac Spearmint.
And you're so cool. And you're so fine. How can a girl like you be mine?
Save.
Say what?
Save up money so we don't have to worry. That's what I'm doing. What about you, baby?
Eto, hindi nagra-rhyme, pero makes sense. Sobrang daling mag-ipon sa PS Bank. Just open an account in one branch, pwede ka na mag-deposit o mag-withdraw in any branch nationwide, anytime. Dali, si Ann meron na. Astig, di ba? PS Bank eh.
Para successful ang kumpanya, dapat lahat dito healthy at smart.
Kaya mahalagang kumain ng masustansyang food every day.
Buti na lang, Energen visited many offices for their Palakasin sa Sustansya program.
Kailangan ng katawan ng balanced nutrition throughout the day for good health and better work performance.
Energen has real milk, cereals, vitamins, minerals, and protein for balanced nutrition.
Salamat sa Energen, healthy lahat.
Para sa pag-asenso! Sustansya pagkainumin. Wala kayo sa luto ng nanay ko!
Secret ni Mami, dato puti suka at toyo. Premium ang sangkap. Kaya tagos ang linamnam.
Sarap!
Dato puti.
Masarap masaya basta't Nutri-Asia.
Every time he thinks, billions of neurons will connect rapidly for a new learning experience. Scientifically designed by Mead Johnson, new Enfakid A+ with DHA Power Plus gives the highest levels of DHA to help meet expert recommended levels. Unlock his amazing power to learn. Enfakid A+.
True lalo! May Western Union 12 padala sale. 20 na lang ang padala ng 1,000. Kaya, go na tayo!
Royal presents Kulit Party!
Feels like I'm on top of the world. Never coming down, never coming back down.
Royal with B vitamins! Ilabas ang ulit! The Fudgy Bar Kada! Fudgy ko! Gagawin mo ang lahat para sa Fudgy Bar. Delicious cake, rich, creamy filling. Fudgy Bar. Bar sa sarap.
70% of us don't get the right amount of most vitamins and minerals. We'd have to eat all these to get what we need. Many of us can't. So I take Centrum, complete with 30 vitamins and minerals in one tablet. Help complete your nutrition. Take Centrum.
Pagdating sa birthday,
Ang hindi pwedeng muna. Ang UFC Spaghetti.
UFC Sweet Filipino-style spaghetti sauce na manamis-namis na paborito ng mga bata.
Ang sarap.
UFC Spaghetti Sauce.
Masarap masaya, basta Nutri-Asia.
Relyo, manggas at kilig-kilig. Tuming nanood dyan, sa Tide, tanggal sa kalahating kusutan.
Babad at konting kusot? Ang dali! Ang puti!
Tide, posing sa kaputihan. 850 lang!
My hair, perfect siya dito. Pero pagdating dito, sobrang damage.
That's because the most damaged part of hair is the tips. Pantene Daily Intensive Conditioner gives extreme nourishment to help repair severe damage.
So ang tips ko, maintain ang ganda.
Pantene.
Natawag mo raw ako.
Oo, kasi magpapakasal ka na.
N-O, no.
Oksana, si Victor. Victor, si Oksana.
Kailan ang kasal?
Hoy! Babaeng daing na nakabilad dyan? Sino ka?
Ako, ang mapapangasawa ni Victor.
Ngayong nahimasmasan na ako, ayoko magpakasal kay Oksana.
Sino ba ang gusto mo?
Si Baba pala. Si Jean. Basta hindi si Oksana.